Hi guys, it's me Emily and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I wanted to play with some of the palettes that I actually got for Christmas. They're these ColourPop palettes. I've got 4 different ones. I've got the 2 purples and the yellow and the blue. I kind of just want to play around with them and see what I can come up with. I might be doing 2 different looks, maybe like the 2 purples and then the yellow and blue. They are definitely more spring-oriented palettes, but since I'm kind of over this Midwest winter, I thought it'd be fun to do something a little more colorful. So I'm going to start playing around with those, and yeah, I guess just let's jump into it and see what we come up with. this is the final look. I actually really like how they turned. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you can see. I really actually like the yellow and blue on this side, and then I used just the purples on this. I did put a purple liner, but it's kind of hard to see on here. And I kind of went over the white spot a little too much with the purple. I kind of wanted to make it like an ombre kind of look, so kind of messed up on this part a little bit, but I still like how it turned out. I think it looks really pretty. I really like these palettes. They are very true to the colors. I used two different blues here and they blended out really nicely. Same with the purples. The yellow, I always have trouble with certain colors showing up on my skin tone, like yellows and greens and certain blues. But the shade, it's Sweet Spot in the Honey palette. I did it with a packing brush, and I kind of sprayed the brush beforehand, and it helped lay the color on really, really nicely. And of course I used my P. Louise base, which also helps pigment to really show up and really stick on my lid. And then I just added my Dose of Colors gloss that I've been using. It's called Seriously. And I don't know, I really like how it turned out. And of course I did the rest of my face off camera as well. But yeah, I really like these looks. They're really pretty. This is definitely more of a springtime. This is like my funky kind of springtime look. But all in all, I think they did really well. I'm still getting, not used to, but I'm still getting the hang of blending and making sure everything looks seamless. And so far I think I did a good job. So yeah, that is it. I will link everything down below as always. All the palettes, I believe they're still available on ColourPop.com, and they're fairly inexpensive. I'm actually probably going to go and try and see if I can get a few more colors. I think they have a green one, and I think one other one, but I'm not sure. I'll have to go look. But they're really good palettes. They're very easy to travel with too. I would normally like palettes that have like multi-colors in them, obviously, but if you're going somewhere and you're going for a very specific look, they're very good to travel with. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as always. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I always have to remember these things. But I'll put it all down below, and of course it's YouTube, you know what to do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.